Hi everyone, today is Cozy Corner or Vignette, and I am doing a modern and traditional coffee table setup. So let's get started. I have a large mirrored tray on my coffee table, and I'm going to decorate it in two ways. It is going to be simple, so anyone can follow what I am doing. Vignette number 1. A modern coffee table vignette. So, you have to clean the mirror, and in this case it faces the ceiling, so I'm sorry that you're going to see the ceiling when I clean the mirror. Then I stacked 3 books on top of one another, with the last one being black and white. Now there's a reason why I am stacking it, the last one black and white. A modern black wood base is put down on top of the books, and a black and wood Christmas tree is put on top of the raised base. And then a glass dome was put over that. Next is a modern candle holder that I made about a year or two ago out of a tuna can and a wood ball. It's basically a dupe, but you can check that out on my previous video. Last, a modern wire industrial looking acorn is put on the coffee table, or you can even hang it on your Christmas tree. Now this is a very simple vignette, and styling can take you through all of the seasons if you like, because you can just change up what is in the dome, and you can change it from an acorn to a flower and a vase or whatever. Now this is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Tablescapes by Candy. These are some amazing people. They're so friendly and so kind and helpful. I can't say enough about singing their praises. And Tablescapes by Candy, oh my, just gorgeous. So co-hosting in this collaboration include Design with Emma, Debbie Bubbles, Annalise Cupboard, Pretty DIYs, Z9 Designs, and Sasu Glam Style. Now, make sure you use the hashtag CozyCorner23 and take a look and see what others are styling these days. I am so sure you will not be disappointed. On to vignette number 2. Now, this is more of a traditional coffee table vignette. I used the same 3 books for the second vignette, so why not? I put, instead of the black wood base, I had a wood base, and I put it on top of the books. And then I put a Christmas tree that I made some time ago. But then I kind of changed because I thought something larger needed to be in there, and so I had a Christmas tree with snow on it that looked more traditional, and so I put that inside. Also, I put a candle holder that I made last month, or it might have been this month, I'm not sure. and I put some greenery at the base to kind of tone down the modern look. Last, I place an acorn that I made from real acorn spines, white and brown jute, white acrylic paint, and some greenery with red berries. Now this has some weight to it, but it is basically made out of plastic and acorn spines. And maybe I'll have to, in the coming weeks, I can make one so you can see how it is done. It is very pretty, and I have given these away as gifts also. Well, thanks for watching. I appreciate you all. And that is all for today. So make sure you subscribe, like, save, and comment. I am heading to 1,500 subscribers on my channel. And when I get there, and if you are a subscriber and have made a comment when I get to that video, your name will be entered into the giveaway. So keep watching. Also follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And give me that thumbs up because it helps my channel grow. And remember, when someone else's happiness is your happiness, that is love. This is by Lana Del Rey. Well, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.